you want to be the financial brain behind small businesses and earn globally? QuickBooks and Sage50 are your keys to earning high-paying remote jobs even without experience. If you've decided to learn QuickBooks and Sage50, you've made a wise decision. Businesses in Nigeria and across the globe are desperately in need of skilled professionals who can manage their finances using these tools. It isn't just bookwork, it's about powering business with real-time data and making smart decisions. So what exactly is QuickBooks and Sage50? These are the world's most powerful accounting software used by businesses to manage invoicing, payroll, tax reports, inventory, profit and loss accounts. They automate everything and companies pay well for people who know how to use this skill. With this skill, you can become freelance or in-house accountant, payroll officer, a bookkeeper, a finance administrator. You can work remotely for clients abroad, land jobs in banks, SMEs, NGOs, and even tech startups. The opportunities are truly endless. To become a professional, here's what you need to learn. Basics of accounting and bookkeeping, setting up company files, managing accounts, income and expenses, payroll setup and employee management, inventory tracking and tax filing, generating reports with accuracy and speed. You will also build real projects because learning by doing is what makes you learn better. Why choose Bizmarrow Technologies? At Bizmarrow Technologies, we give you practical hands-on training. A dedicated trainer is assigned to you for mentoring and coaching. You get to build real-world accounting projects. We keep our classrooms small size for effective learning. Physical and online classes are available so you can learn from anywhere in the world. We offer flexible payment options, making premium education available to you. Imagine managing multiple client accounts from the comfort of your homes. Imagine companies trusting you with their payroll and paying you well for it. At Bizmarrow Technologies, we don't just teach, we prepare you for a successful career. And the best part is, you don't need a degree to get started. If you have one, that's fine. What matters most is getting the right training. So don't wait. Click the link below and register now for our Sage50 and QuickBooks accounting software training at Bizmarrow Technologies. See you in class.